In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display WPForms entries on the front end. We'll be working inside WordPress and using a plugin that lets you take form submissions and show them publicly on your site. This is useful if you want to display directories, testimonials, listings, event submissions, or any other user-submitted content collected through WPForms. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything for the setup, including installing the plugin and creating the view that will display your entries. Once you're in the admin area, search for the plugin called Views for WPForms Lite. Go ahead and install it, then activate it. This plugin extends WPForms by giving you a way to take existing form entries and present them on the front end of your website without needing custom code. If WPForms is already collecting data for you, this is the piece that helps make that data visible to visitors. After activation, look in your WordPress sidebar and navigate to WPForms Views, then click Add New. This will open the builder where you create a new display for your form entries. Now give your new view a clear title so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to create more than one. Then choose the specific form that contains the entries you want to show. Selecting the correct form is important because the available fields and entry data will come directly from that form. Next, choose how you want the entries to appear. You'll typically see a table option and a list option. Table works well if you want a neat spreadsheet style layout with clear columns. List is a better fit if you want a more flexible visual arrangement, such as a masonry style display or something that feels a little more custom. Pick the one that best matches the type of content you're showing. After that, use the drag and drop section to choose which form field IDs should be displayed. This is where you control what visitors will actually see on the front end. For example, you might want to show a name, title, image, or description while leaving out internal or unnecessary fields. Take a moment here to organize the output in a way that makes sense for your audience. When everything looks good, click Publish on the right side. Once the view is published, a shortcode will be generated for you. Copy that shortcode because this is what you'll use to place the view anywhere on your site. Finally, paste the shortcode into any WordPress page, post, or text block where you want the entries to appear. Save or update the page, then preview it on the front end to confirm everything is displaying the way you want. That's it. Your WP Forms entries are now visible on your website.